Good evening, everyone. I am Jay Sikand, the intern at LexClick. So, today I am going to talk about restitution. Restitution is under section 144 of CPC. So, let's talk about restitution. What exactly is restitution and section 144? So, section 144 of the Civil Procedure Code deals with the provision of restitution. The expression restitution has not been defined in the CPC anywhere. Alright, so it is the restoration of something lost or stolen to its proper owner. In a layman's language, I would say it is the restoration of something lost or stolen to its proper owner. According to section 144, clause 4, clause 1, where and in so far as a decree or an order is varied or reversed in any appeal division or other proceedings, or is set aside or modified in any suit instituted for the purpose of the court, which passed decree or order shall, on the application of any party entitled to any benefit by way of restitution or otherwise, cause such restitution to be made. So this is the definition of section 144 of CPC. Now we all know what exactly is restitution. So it can be reversed, it can be set aside or modified, and for the purpose of the court may make any changes. It's up to the court, including now what could be it, including orders for the refund of costs and for the payment of interest, damages, compensation, um, profits which are properly consequential on such variation. So moving moving ahead, now what are the explanation, what are the exact explanation for restitution under section 144? Now, for the purpose of subsection, the expression of court which passed the decree or order shall be deemed to include where the decree or order has been varied or reversed in exercise of appellate or revisional jurisdiction, the court of first instance, or where the decree or order has been set aside by a separate suit, the court of first instance which passed such decree or order, where the court of first instance has ceased to exist or has ceased to have jurisdiction to execute it, the court which, if the suit wherein the decree or order was passed were instituted at the time of making the application for restitution under this section, would have jurisdiction to try it. Now this was the legal definition, and to continue further, I would say that no suit shall be instituted for this purpose, for obtaining restitution or other relief. It is provided under the subsection clause 1. Now the conditions of restitution. What are the various conditions which are needed for restitution? Now the first and foremost condition which is needed for restitution is that restitution sought must be in respect of the decree or order which had been reserved or varied. Alright. Second condition, the party applying for restitution must be entitled to benefit under the reserving decree of order. And third and last, the relief claimed must be properly consequential on the reversal or variation of decree or order. So this was about restitution. Thank you.